Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. Did you know that you could make super cute home decor using Dollar Tree chopping mats? Well, let me show you how. I purchased these leather placemats from Amazon, but here's how you can make a set of 4 for around $15. Here I'm using water to help thin out the tacky glue. One hour later, I added more of the tacky glue and water mixture right on top. I'm using Dollar Tree faux leather for this project in the colors off-white and black. Let's start with the black first. One hour later, I cut away the excess fabric, but I was very careful here because the glue is still wet. Next, the off-white side. Once the glue dries, you have beautiful faux leather placemats that are just as well made as what you can purchase in the store. Oh, and did I mention that my placemats have the leather on both sides, which makes them also reversible. For DIY number 2, I'm using more of the chopping mats and heavy-duty clear tape. To add some weight to my design, I'm adding some Dollar Tree wood game pieces. I wanted my design to be a bit more firm, so I added a third cutting mat. I'm also using hot glue for this step as well. I've decided to use the Dollar Tree faux leather for this DIY as well. This time around, I'm using Mod Podge instead of the watered down tacky glue. I should have cut away the excess before I added the Mod Podge, but here we go. I used the excess fabric to cover the bottom, and then I allowed my design to dry overnight. To hide the seam, I'm using a strong adhesive to add Dollar Tree pearl wrap. I wanted to make a set of these, but with one taller. So here I'm cutting one of the cutting mats in half. I'll then tape that half and a full mat together. Once I had 3 of the taller pieces, I repeated those same steps. I needed a bit more weight for the taller one, so I added more of the wood pieces. And here's the finished look. I really love how both DIYs turned out. I think they're beautiful, but what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. As always, I would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, Dazzlers, bye!